Hey guys, one of the packages came in that I've been wanting for 2 months maybe. Mom's pissed off that I spent 85 bucks on this thing.
Yeah.
Of her money. And I've been wanting to get one of these since I've seen them in like fucking cheap markets, like at the flea market, but this thing's better than a flea market. It's expensive, but it looks totally badass. It's ready to go, but all I gotta do is fix it up. I already took the package, but it was a big package. So, further ado, here's what I got for 85 bucks. A fucking crossbow. It has a grip, red dot sight, 3 arrows, microfiber cloth, the wire. I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't know what the fuck that is. Definitely don't know what the fuck that is. And there's the light. Like, oh, what? Okay, I got a flashlight with it. Oh yeah, that's for the barrel. This thing comes with a flashlight. Pretty damn awesome flashlight. Microfiber cloth. That's where the grip goes. I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh, that's where the light goes. So I'm gonna get this all done and then try to get it done.